was because of the talents of these two beautiful wahine, Nellie Frost and Auntie Kura Rapana, that Te came along to the noho and decided that she was going to create this beautiful waiata out of the product of this piupiu.
Miki, ko hau te kai whakatakoto i te kupu, tuhi te kupu, i hopungia mai eau mai te rōpū tito. Te whakaaro i ahu mai i te rōpū mai tā mātou wānanga tahi ki ngā kuia mai te arawa i heke mai ki te tohutohi a mātou pēhea te mahi piupiu. Nā reira, ngā kupu he mea āwhina, he mea homai nā rāua, ngā kupu e hāngai motuhake ana ki te mahi piupiu. Ki ahau tēnā mea te auahatanga o te waiata, mōku, he mea puta mai i ngā kupu. Engari, me he mea kei te whakarite koe kaupapa e waiata mō te whakataetae, tāpiri atu ki tērā ko tāu, ko te rereke me i roto ua whakaaro auaha, kei te kimi tonu koe, he mea rereke i ngā mea kei te kitea e koe, e ngā wā katoa i runga a tāmira.
In memory, it was 5 verses long. It was 5 verses long, and it had a kaya at the beginning of each verse. So the people were sort of dumbstruck. They were looking and thinking, what the heck's going on here? But as the song went on, you know, it was a bush. Then it was cut. Then it was groomed. Then it was turned into a pattern. Then it was soaked in the paru. You know, it was a recipe how to make a piupiu. And that, like I said, thank you very much, Auntie Nellie. Thank you very much, Auntie Kura. And kia ora to you, Tehi, for continuing to let that, you know, momentum flourish. We made one piupiu, and it would fit a doll. And we had intended to do at least 20 for our team. It didn't happen, and it still hasn't happened. But from all of that, we have created this beautiful waiata, and it's called Mahi Piupiu. And this is why my aroha goes back to anybody who works with the harakeke. I acknowledge you for the wonderful mahi you do and for the whakapapa that you keep producing for us.